Look, today we're out at North Harrisdale Primary School, which is a brand new school here in Perth. What we did today is we came out to the school and taught them the basics of the Promethean interactive panels. A lot of the teachers are brand new to the product, so it was good for them to see how the product worked, how user-friendly it was, and particularly how easy it's going to be for the kids to use it come the start of term 1. Can you give us your thoughts about what you've just learned in the Promethean training session?
Yeah, absolutely. I guess being PE, a lot of it will be sort of screen sharing for me to show kids sort of, YouTube videos on how to do specific stuff in sports. So I haven't used it before, so it's really good to know how you can screen share and screenshot, and because a lot of that I save and kind of use outside as well. It is good to know that when it is a hot weather day, I can come inside and use it confidently.
It was really good to see how easy it is to use, and I really like that I can use the whiteboard by itself, or I can also connect my laptop to it as well and be able to save.
I think it went really well. I'm very confident to use the board after the training session, even though I've never used Promethean before, and really looking forward to learning more about Active Inspire as well. So.